Hi everyone, welcome back. Today's recipe is going to be totally different from the recipes that I've mostly shared. So here it's going to be carb-free recipe, and this is cauliflower rice with salad and green collard saute. So I'm going to share both the recipe here. So keep watching till the end, you do not miss any step here. So my husband has decided to avoid all the carbs from his meals. So I have to make some healthy food, healthy choices for him, and this is what I come with. Every day, um, three times meal we make it different, and this is one of the recipe that I would like to share with you. So let's see how to make this purple cauliflower. Doesn't it look so gorgeous? It's very vibrant, very beautiful. It looks so good. And this is a natural purple color of the cauliflower. It has a slightly sweeter, and taste is absolutely same. I wouldn't say that the taste is different. And normally it says that the purple one is more higher in antioxidant than the regular white cauliflower. So here I'm putting in the food processor. I've taken the whole cauliflower here. This is we are going to make cauliflower rice. Everything is fresh here, nothing frozen we're going to use. So this is my style of making cauliflower rice. I'm going to take half onion, 2 green chilies. You can take Thai chili, or if you want little spice, you can add your favorite chilies to it. And ginger coarsely crushed. I'm going to saute this using this electric skillet. I'll share the link if you are interested to buy this. This is one multi-purpose skillet, I would say. It does everything. It's an electric skillet. It's controlled by a temperature, and it does bake. You can roast. You can make a grill texture. It's like all in one. So it's very nice. Here I'm going to use 1 tablespoon olive oil or coconut oil, whichever you like. 1 teaspoon cumin seed. Now the processor has done its work. I'm going to add mustard seed. We usually add mustard seed first and then the cumin seed. So once the mustard seeds start crackling, we'll add the half onion that's finely chopped and ginger. I'll add the green chilies here and saute for next 5 minutes or until the onion is softened. To make the process little faster, you can add salt here. So once you add salt, the vegetables are cooked very fast. So here the cauliflower is nicely processed. Now I'm going to add spices here. Salt, turmeric powder, red cayenne pepper, you can add red chili powder, or Indian spices, Kashmiri red chili powder. It's all our favorite spice that we can add here. To keep it simple, I'm just adding salt, cayenne pepper and turmeric powder. Next we add the cauliflower rice. Give it a good mix so all the masalas are nicely mixed together, and we will close the lid. How beautiful it looks, isn't it? Purple cauliflower. But once it's cooked, so the color will slightly change, but that's fine. The nutrients, everything is still there, and we're enjoying a carb-free, healthy meal, isn't it? So let's see how to make the collard green now. Here I've taken a bunch of collard green, finely chop it. It's not like spinach. Like in spinach, when you cook, the quantity is reduced to just too little, isn't it? But here the quantity remains like that only. It's quite good actually. I love this vegetable, and make it this way and you will love it. So here the same way I'm adding cumin seed here, ginger, green chilies. I've taken olive oil here. Add half finely chopped onion, then salt, turmeric powder. Now give it a good mix. So here we have green chili for little spice. We have turmeric for its health benefits, and collard green is very nutritious and very good. It has its own benefits. So if we have this cauliflower rice and collard green, everything ready. Now let's prepare the salad. So here I'm taking a few cherry tomatoes. He like to have fresh vegetables also with his meal, so I am chopping few tomatoes here. It's a mix of red, orange, brown, different color of tomatoes. And I paired this with fresh cucumber from the garden. I love growing vegetables, and during the summertime, it's so good that we get a lot of vegetables from our garden itself. Now let's do the plating. So here I put cucumbers, tomatoes. I'm going to put cayenne pepper and black pepper on top of this, or you can add lime juice also. Sprinkle some lime juice. It will take the recipe to the next level, isn't it? We have collard green, very tasty, flavorful, and it's nicely cooked. And the cauliflower rice. This is purple cauliflower, and this is how it looks in real. I have put no filter here, and this is the actual color of the rice, so you can also see how it looks. How beautiful and gorgeous, healthy plate, isn't it? So this is going to be a very nutritious dinner meal that I prepared for him. It's diabetic friendly, guys. If you are looking for a variety of recipes to add to your meal, so you can go look for this recipe also. And here it's done. Thank you so much for watching my recipe. See you soon in next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.